Yeah, I just wanted to show everybody these are the marks that I made on the styrofoam. I made it at this point and another point inside of the foundation walls, so that whenever the slinger truck comes out to start pushing in the gravel, to fill this cavity in through here. Every 20 tons on this particular square footprint is about 4 inches. So after they would leave for the next load, I would come in and take the tamper plate compactor and compact it down every 4 inches. I believe code's like 8 to 12, but I just did 4 every time they left, and then raked around the edges, and by the time they got back was time to start doing another load. And that's how we're going to fill this cavity before we go in for the radiant floor heating and for the rebar and the 4 inches of concrete on top. The radiant floor heating is going to sit on the 2 inches of styrofoam. I'll show you that in the next film, and that's going to have the tubes going in between the little knobs, and then that's how we'll keep the footprint of the house heated.